CR 006300, State versus Jonathan Wayne Frederick. Can I have parties announced?
State. John Robertson for Mr. Frederick.
And are you Mr. Frederick?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Frederick, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
Mr. Frederick, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right? Just 1 second, let me let them finish. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Frederick, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to your plea, punishments be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine probated. The state recommends community supervision. And outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 100 hours community service, restitution, and DOEP course, and regular random UAs. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
State defense?
It is not.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any such motions?
Oh, yeah.
Then to the offense, how do you plead?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Judge Roberts, exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
Objection.
All right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, he wants to get this behind him. He's got some plans going forward and wanted to get it resolved today and get on with his life.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
10 and 12.
Who do they live with?
The mother,
And who is the mother?
Victoria Frederick.
All right. It's not this Lori Della Vega.
No.
And are you still in a relationship with Lori Della Vega?
No.
Okay. And how often have you been using?
Not often. No.
What does that mean? Tell me, how often are you using per week?
Not every week. Once a month, twice a month.
All right. There's going to be 2 years suspended and probated for 2 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. In custody, I want a TAP evaluation, follow recommendations, and also a referral to felony drug court. Proof of employment within 45 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. Felony drug court should be able to give us a decision no later than Monday. It's just that it's a short week, so that'll be done quickly. There is to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be no contact with Lori, Lori, Virginia De La Vega. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once parenting classes are complete, 50 of those hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining community service hours will be deducted at 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. And there's to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No. Judge, one thing, Mr. Frederick talked to me this morning. He has an interest in going inpatient once he gets squared away with his probation, gets, through orientation, and everything, going inpatient with lifetime recovery, to do treatment and get help with getting his IDs and all that kind of stuff
Okay.
done.
If he talks to felony drug court, and if you're honest with them, they will accept you and they'll see what is the appropriate placement for you. Okay.
Understand that? Yeah.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you.
Judge Stephanie Boyd delivered a powerful reality check to 18-year-old Sabian Robaz. After he pleaded no contest to aggravated assault with a deadly weapon following a jailhouse attack, the court heard that Robaz and others targeted another inmate who was simply serving his time. Judge Boyd called the behavior cowardly and questioned why he would bully someone, especially with the help of others. She warned him that bullying always has consequences, using the story of Leroy Brown to make her point. There will always be someone stronger, but Judge Boyd's biggest message was about accountability. She told Robaz that his difficult past, family circumstances, or upbringing could not excuse his choices. His actions were his responsibility. The judge ultimately followed the plea agreement and sentenced him to 4 years in prison, along with a fine and no contact order.